Hello. So today we are going to go into the Miracle Mile shops. Hopefully the Pearl Factory is up and operating because I have a pearl that I need set in a piece of jewelry. So we're going to walk over there and do that. If we have enough energy, we may try to make it down to Fremont Street today and do the zip lining. I just haven't slept very well since I've been here, so kind of tired, but we are going to make the best of our day. Tonight is Partage for dinner. I don't know what kind of restaurant it is. I don't remember, but...
French.
Oh, French. But of course we will vlog that too, so we'll see you around. Bye. Alright, so we are headed into the Miracle Mile shops. This is probably one of my favorite malls, and it is connected to Planet Hollywood, where we usually stay, so it's usually our place to shop. Wow, it's just shut down. Tipsy Robot is shut down. It's where Tipsy Robot. That's where the robot pours your drinks, right? Oh, yeah, there. I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but it's closed down. Lush isn't letting people into their stores, but this one's a little bit different. But they kind of had a drive-up window on the other one too. Alright. Okay, you guys, so there is next to nothing really open here at the Miracle Mile. I mean, there's some stuff, but the most important thing, which is the Pearl Factory, that is not open. So we are headed to the Venetian because apparently there is a Pearl Factory there that I can get my pearl set in a piece of jewelry. So we'll see you there. Bye. So here is the Pearl Factory. Hi there. I have a pearl that I need a setting for. So, yes. There we go. Okay, so now we are looking for the Jimmy Choo store.
We're on the wrong floor.
Okay, so we need to go up, down?
Up a floor.
How do we get there?